Eric Rogers. I'm the Talent Acquisition and Engagement Manager here at Honor Credit Union. I get people into the organization like yourselves that want to come be part of a great place. It's a very cohesive team environment, but on the same token, you're encouraged to build your own business. So when you work in your own departments, we kind of have free reign to do what we want to do. Once you get here, we have a lot of continuous learning, which creates a career path. Make a career out of this. It's not just a job. We also have a lot of fun here, collaborating with our team members, doing different events, playing foosball on a regular basis, and then also getting massages by our licensed massage therapist that comes in every other week.
We're all part of one team, and everyone has ideas, and those great ideas come to life. And when you see your great idea come to life and benefit a member, there's no better feeling. I think every single person on this team shares the same passion to genuinely putting our members in a better spot. And whatever function you may serve in making that mission come to life, whether it's marketing or you're a teller and you're the face of the organization in the branches, it takes every single one of us to make our communities a better place. You're more than just, employee 1, 2, 3. You have a voice and you have ideas and you have an opinion, and that's respected all the way top to bottom. I am Honor means that every single one of us makes up this team, and it takes every single one of us to make this organization work.
A big part about becoming Honor is supporting our team members. We have a thriving mentor program that supports all of our team members regardless of their role, helps introduce them to our culture and the way we do business. What's our differentiator? I would have to say it's our people in line with our mission, really looking at that further distance. We're not looking to just put a financial product into somebody's hand. We're looking to set them up for financial success. We have ridiculous benefits, state-of-the-art technology, and a team that is going to be right there beside you.
If you want to come be part of it, check us out on various social media platforms and our career section on our website. Come make your own I Am Honor story.